Hey everyone, this is Miss Grady. I'm here to teach you or reteach you a little bit about the levels of organization. So you've already learned that, but I'm just going to recap on how important it is for you to understand how the levels of organization work. So we're going to go over them today, okay? So first off, our levels of organization, right? We start with an atom, right? Atom, very, very small. So we'll use our hands to represent the atom, okay? Next, an atom will then make up a molecule, right? So an atom makes up a molecule, so we'll have these two atoms that bind together, you would get a molecule. An example of a molecule I have is a water molecule, because we all know water, right? So that would be an example of our molecule. So I'm just gonna put that here so we can see it, okay? So again, we're going this way to get to very complex. So simple all the way through. Atoms make up a molecule. Molecules will then make up a cell. And I'll just do a little dot to show the cell as being a circle, right? We could use our finger to represent that. Just say like little small cell, right? Looks really small, but it is actually a little bit bigger than an atom or a molecule. Next, we then have cells that are gonna make up tissues, okay? So tissues, then there's 4 different types of tissues that I have here that you should be kind of familiar with. And the 4 different types of tissues that you have will be epithelial, connective, muscle, and then also your nervous, okay? So you might see those are some ideas. You might have even talked about those in class, hopefully, right? Those are the various types of tissues that we have in our body, okay? So now we're up to tissues. We have atoms, we've gone to a molecule, now cell. Cells make up tissues. Tissues then make up an organ, and I put my heart, okay, as an example. Your heart is an organ. Your organ then makes up an organ system. So I put the cardiovascular system because the cardiovascular system is obviously the main organ in that is your heart. And then last, the most complex that you're going to get is an organism, okay? And for that one, I have, of course, what you guys are, a human, okay? So then I would put this as my organism here, okay? So if you look, this is kind of our timeline that we can look at. We start with an atom, then we have a molecule, cell, to tissue, to an organ system, and then to an organism. And that's your levels of organization. Thanks.